Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vidya from Millennial Mommyhood, and in my today's video I'm going to tell you everything that you need for homeschooling. Basically, I'm going to tell you the best method you can follow as a parent to homeschool your child at home without any problem. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe because very soon I'm going to start with a series of homeschooling free workshops on my YouTube channel which will be very useful for you all. What is the best way to do homeschooling with your child at home? Are you confused which topic should I take? Where should I start from? What are the activities that I do? What are the things that have to be followed? Are you thinking that I'm just doing a mixture of everything and then the study is actually not going anywhere? So the best way that you can plan your homeschooling session with your child is to have unit study plans scheduled properly so that you can follow it according to the timetable or the schedule that you have made. Now, let me tell you what these unit studies are. So you remember when you were in school, you would have seen that when you open your textbook, in the front itself there'll be something like unit, wherein in front it'll be written like earth, and under that there'll be 4-5 chapters which will be like rivers and maybe continents or something like that, many topics under the same unit. So that is the same concept which you are going to follow here. When we talk about unit study, it means we are taking a very nice theme, and under that particular theme we are having n number of activities according to the age of your child or according to the developmental stage of your child, and you are introducing that whole topic to your child through a series of activities. That is what unit study is all about. For example, if I am taking a unit study of animals, I am going to teach children about what animals are, their fur, their habitat, their baby, basically everything about animals through a series of activities. So I am going to tell you how you have to prepare for the same. So what are the kind of themes that you have to select? I have 60 plus themes that have been listed in one of my posts on my Instagram page. You can go and check it out. You can follow that. It's like it can be used for a whole year with a child or 2 years also. So you can go and try it out. But let me tell you that how to choose a topic. So choose a topic based on what interests your child. If you feel that your child is very interested toward transportation, go for transportation. If they are interested towards animals, go for animals, and so on. So when you choose a pack, what is the next thing? What is the duration that you are going to follow one unit study for? Usually a unit study is planned for 3 to 4 weeks, in which all the activities are distributed equally and in such a way that the child enjoys the learning instead of being like a burden. But if you feel that 3 to 4 weeks is very long for your child and your child is very small, you can even start with a 1 week unit study wherein you are reducing the number of topics inside a unit and making it very simple, especially if your child is a small one. I'm talking about children who are below the age of, let me say, 3 years. You can choose for unit study which extends only up to a week with very less amount of topic. Now, very quickly, I'm going to tell you how you can plan your entire unit study. Number 1, select your theme. Number 2, select the duration. Number 3, make a schedule, which activity you're going to do on the first week, which activity you're going to do on the second, third, fourth, and so on. Are you going to take another week, maybe another month for the same? So basically, you need to have a perfect schedule for that. The fourth one is to get the materials. Surf on internet, go anywhere, take books, take toys or activities, anything related to this particular theme. You get n number of things on internet itself. I am also having my own unit packs. Currently I'm having only 2, but slowly I'm building over it, which you can buy for a very affordable price, or you can make for yourself if you're having time. Basically gather all the resources, which should include toys, books, activities, printables, anything and everything. Flashcards are an amazing way of teaching children about it. After that is done, make sure that you are keeping a record of what are the things that your child have learned, what is the progress that the child have made, and what are the things where the child can actually improve in future. And the last one is compile everything together, keep it in a file, make sure that you just save it everything together so that you can keep on revising it with your child in the future also. That's it. It's as simple as that. Hope this video was very useful. If you really like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as I told you, I'm going to start the series of homeschooling over here with you all, a simple free workshop on my YouTube channel where you can attend and understand all the aspects of homeschooling for free. Just you have to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.